Alright, y'all, so I just left Kroger and now I'm about to go get my baby. So my other two are playing hooky from school today with their grandparents. They took them fishing, my oldest and my youngest. So I'm going to get my little twin Juice, and we're about to go home and chill today and go over some test taking tips for his third grade test. Little best friend secured. So y'all, I really been up since like 1:15, and I really just been texting. But I'm about to get up because I need to cook dinner, and I need to earn school clothes. And I also, y'all need to get, look at all these clothes on my bed. Like, baby, I guess because I don't have no man, like, this side of the bed, I don't care, baby. Some days I sleep just like this. Number clothes on this side, that I don't dump out of a basket because, I mean, who else gonna be sleeping there? Who? Hey. So y'all, I did cook for my babies, but my boys left with their dad before they get a chance to eat. And my daughter, she had gymnastics, so y'all, I did cook for my babies. Let's see. So y'all, just got off. I'm about to head to Kroger's for my best friend, so let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm at Kroger's. And my best friend better be glad I love her. Baby, they trying to be like Walmart with these little things opening up. So y'all, that's what I'm here for. My best friend saw these on TikTok and she wanted some, so. Y'all, this is literally all I got, so. Y'all, I really feel like I cheated on Walmart, but yeah, it was okay, but Walmart's still better.